Uh, Here we have a group of horses out there. They're just mowing through the snow and ice and trying to get food. So they paw away at the top snow, and then they nibble on what's under it. They have blankets on them. I know that's for trying to keep them warm. And they're very hardy animals, quite aware. If you get them near this fence here, you can see their ears are going in different directions, and they're checking out everything, and they're very alert. So these are high IQ animals. High IQ.